Okay, so what we got here is a Kia Sportage 2022, brand new, installed with the StarLine S9 Alarm and Immobiliser and Tracker System. So, if you don't have the tag with you, you will not be able to start this vehicle, and also the alarm will go off. So, if a thief copies your key or clones it, I don't have the tag with me, and they open the door. After a few seconds, alarm goes off. And also the system is going to now call me.
Alarm in alarm system mode. Door open. The car's condition is arm alarm system. Central.
Also, they will not be able to start the vehicle. As you see, it will not say ready to drive. So it will not turn on. I can't even also put it into gear. It will not go into gear. So you need the tag to be able to drive the vehicle, which I'm going to do now. Is I'm going to just get the tag now. Okay, so now I got the StarLine tag with me. I can disable the system, obviously. You don't need to press anything, you just need to carry it with you when you get in the vehicle. And now the car will turn on as normal. It says EV at the top, and it should say also ready to drive now, and it will also go into gear. Also comes with a full smartphone app included. You can see the status of the vehicle. You can also control the alarm. You can turn it on and also turn the alarm on and off on here. You can also remote immobilize the vehicle, so even if you have the key and the tag, the vehicle will not start. And you also can put it into service mode. You also have the tracker built in, which you can also track the vehicle. If you want this installed on your vehicle, give us a shout on 028 554 5554. Come visit our Car Sound Security in Ilford, Gansil, IG2 6QA. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.